Welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with KathyBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. I wanted to stuff some more savings challenges. We had $5, $10, $15, $20 today, and I wanted to see, the last time we came into our freebies binder, we had worked on some savings, but these were spices. So let me just go through my binders and see if I can find some change, because I don't think we're going to do a spicy today. Okay, so we've gone ahead and switched all of our bills to $1, and so we are going to actually, how are we going to do this? We're going to roll and save $2 to for each roll. That sounds good to me. Have my dice. Actually found it before I sat down today. Thank you. Round of applause for me being slightly prepared. We'll see. All right, number 4, number 5, number 5, number 1, number 4, number 6, number 4, number 3, number 6, number 2. Man, it kind of looks like every single envelope got some love today. All right, so this first savings challenge is a collaboration, and it is from Moet's Money, Money Boss in the Making, and Boop and Budgets. So I'll link all three of those ladies down below. We're adding $2 today. 1, 2. Now we have a total of $5, $6, $7 in this savings challenge. All right, we've got $2 going into this savings challenge from Budgeting Students. 1, 2. All right, this savings challenge has saved me $5, $10, $11, $12. All right, we've got $2 going into the Dramatic Panda, this savings challenge here. That's a different color pink, isn't it? Let's see. Okay, I'm not certain where that other pink is, but I want it to be just a slightly darker so you can see it on camera, but we'll see how that works. All right, so now we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Next up, we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 going into this savings challenge from the Chatty Kathy, KathyBudgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot that quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we have $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16. And this one, once it's completed, will save me $25. That doesn't make any sense. 5, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so once this savings challenge is completed, it will save me $20. All right, and then we've got $1, $2, $3, $4 going into our savings challenge from S&C Budget Creations. You can find this savings challenge down below. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 in the savings challenge now. So awesome. Then we have $1, 2, 3, $4 going into our Black History Month Savings Challenge. This one's from SilynthiaBudgets. We said 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so a couple of them look like they're almost finished. So that's great news. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21. I do need to focus on getting some savings challenges going that are smaller amounts. I'd like cash stuffing bigger amounts for my sinking funds, but right now my sinking funds are so low because of the birthdays and Valentine's Day and all of that. We shot through that money so quickly with everything we've been doing to just celebrate each other. So we have a couple of these that may be completed soon. So I don't, you know what, I'm not going to hold myself to a certain date that we're going to cash stuff our sinking funds, but I would like to see it happen very, very soon. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for stopping back by, you guys. Take care. Bye.